Hey, what's up guys? Thought I'd make a video tonight on fabricating a pistol target in the fabrication process, but I wanted to show you some of the material that I got at the iron mill today. So the basic frame, the overall frame is going to be made out of 1-inch square tube. It's 11 gauge. You can also, it's 1 inch. Or excuse me, 1/8 inch wall thickness, 1 inch square tube steel. So that'll be the basic frame of the thing. The top target is going to be this. I think it's 3/8 steel plate, something like that. That's going to be the top target. That'll be when you hit on the top, that'll reset the whole thing. And I think I'll add about 5 of these. I'm going to cut 4. This is 3/8 bar stock, and I'm just going to cut like little, 4-inch pieces, hang them on little connecting rods, and those are going to be the bottom targets. So that's the basic idea. And I got some tube here. And this is how I'm going to make my hinges. There's some smaller tube for the smaller targets, and I got some bigger tube for the bigger target on the top. But it's going to basically be like this, and this will be the hinge. So those are the basic materials. That's how we're going to get started. So let me go ahead and. I'll get started here. I'll get some material cut, and when we tack it up, I'll turn the camera back on. Alright guys, so I got the first 2 main legs of the platform built. This is what we're looking like. And there are these L-looking, sort of funny L-looking ones here. Okay. So kind of have it on a 20-degree forward leaning angle here. It's going to be they're going to be sort of hanging targets, so kind of need that angle. So anyhow, that's where we're at. Like I said, got the main legs built, and once it's kind of freestanding, I'll turn the camera back on. All right, guys. So I got it tack welded together. Sort of provisionally welded, but this is what it looks like so far. That's kind of freestanding. Not really sure if you guys are going to be able to tell, but it is angled towards us. Take the camera over on the side here so we can get a better look, get a better idea of what's going on maybe. So you can see that it's definitely leaning 25 or 20-degree angle towards us, or kind of towards us now. But that's it right now. Like I said, it's freestanding, so I'm going to go ahead and get the other components on it now and start figuring out how I'm going to hang targets and stuff. So turn the camera back on when we get to that point. Okay guys, we're back, and just going to go ahead and I'm pretty much done here. I'm going to go ahead and just do a bunch of welding here. Everything's pretty much tacked up, and I'm going to go ahead and just burn up a bunch of wire with the MIG welder and see if we can't get this thing finally welded here. So I'll just leave the camera go, and we'll do some welding. Pretty big open roots on these top ones, kind of taking a little bit of wire here. This, let's see if you can, this weld here, I'm going to do in the vertical position, so I start the puddle and I start from the bottom and work my way up. Pretty nice bead, that came out nice, I'm happy with that. Alright guys, so take this. Alright guys, I'm going to do a little bit more vertical welding now, so I went ahead and put my sleeves on so I don't get splashed. Let's see if I can turn this thing around so we can look at the vertical up. Oh man, the sucker didn't start out very heavy, but it's getting heavier and heavier. Let's see if we can, yeah, you can see that pretty good. Alright, like I said, this is going to be an intermittent staggered fillet weld. Basically this means that I'm not going to put a weld all the way around, I'm just going to put little staggered ones, little intermittent fillet welds here. So I'm going to make it tip off a little bit here. Alright guys, here we go. this overhead weld here. Alright, so that's pretty much it, guys. Back it up a little bit so you guys can see it a little bit better. See if that gets in the camera a little bit better there. Let's take a look. Oh yeah, you guys can see pretty good. Okay, so basically, here's our all little small targets. When we hit these targets here, they're going to go up, get caught on this big plate here, obviously, and when we go to hit the we hit the head here. So that's about it. Next time you see this, we'll probably be shooting at it. So thanks for watching, guys. Alright guys, so I just basically got like a coat of paint on it, and I just wanted to just kind of finish up the video with it, so you can get a good look at it with some paint on it. Kind of looks like something now. So here it is. Let me see if I can get back far enough so we can get the whole thing in the picture. So that's basically it, man. I mean, that's what it's going to look like when you're shooting at it. And, these things are going to be kind of flipped up here. It's going to be like this kind of. And then when we hit our top target here, obviously, these bad boys will swing free. So that's basically it, guys. It's my new target system. I think it's going to be fun to shoot. Hopefully I can get some video. It's deer season right now, so I'm gonna hold off on shooting it for a little while. But as soon as deer season's over, we'll get it out there and we'll shoot it some, and we'll get that on for you guys too. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I got some more stuff cooking up that I think you guys are really going to enjoy. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and for my subscribers, I really appreciate it, and I'll have some more soon. Thanks.